Some say it's outdated, but it's still a powerful tool in the sales arsenal. Let's dive into what not to do when making those critical B2B calls. Don't stick to the script. Cold calling is about real connections, not rehearsed lines. Avoid selling to the gatekeeper. Identify the decision maker and speak as if you belong at their level. Don't be pessimistic. Enthusiasm is contagious. Bring energy to your calls to engage prospects. Don't ask yes or no questions. Keep control by asking open-ended questions that encourage dialogue. Don't overplay your hand. Know when to listen and educate rather than just sell. And don't fear rejection. It's part of the process. Stay resilient and keep dialing. Remember, success starts with the right approach and quality data. Close more deals with InFynd's accurate B2B data.